Namaskaram everyone, welcome back to the channel and I hope you all enjoyed the video on the origin of Vedic mathematics. In today's video we'll be covering the origin of the Hindu Arabic numerals and the place values till 10 to the power of 16 in Sanskrit. Before going on to the video, let us have a small prayer to the Almighty Lord. Preetim bhakta janasya yojanayate Vignam vinignan Nutestam वृन्दारकवृन्दवन्दितपदं नत्वामटङ्गाननं पाटीं सद्गणितस्य वच्मि चतुरप्रीतिप्रधां प्रस्फुटां संक्षिप्ताक्षरकोमलामलपदैर्लालित्यलीलावतीम्. So now let's go into learning about the origin of the Hindu Arabic numerals. So the Indian mathematicians discovered the decimal system. So the decimal system is a standard system for denoting the integer and non-integer numbers. So in the decimal system, the values increase in powers of 10 such as 10 to the power of 0, 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 3, 10 to the power of 4 and so on. The number system has been present in India since the 200 BC. So in 12th century AD, the Arabic mathematicians named as Al-Khwarizmi and Al-Kandi brought the Hindu numerals to Europe. And since the Arabic mathematicians brought the Hindu numerals to Europe, they were to be known as Arabic numerals in Europe as they thought the Arabic mathematicians discovered the numerals. After extensive research, the mathematicians in Europe got to know that the numerals were actually discovered in India. Then they gave credit to the Indian mathematicians by calling it the Hindu Arabic numerals. Now let's go into learning about the Devanagari numerals. So the meaning of Deva in Sanskrit is divine and Nagari is the Lipi script of the city. Now Lipi meaning is to write letters or alphabet that refers to the scripts. Now there are over 120 languages present in the Lipi script and these numerals were present since 400 AD. Now few examples of the Devanagari numerals are Sanskrit, Hindi and Marathi. Now let's go on to learning about the place values till 10 to the power of 16 in Sanskrit. Now I would like to start off by saying that there are 10 to the power of 140 numbers present in Sanskrit, although we will be covering till 10 to the power of 16 values in Sanskrit. So 10 to the power of 0 or 1 is called Ekha, 10 to the power of 1 or 10 is called Dasha, 10 to the power of 2 or 100 is called Shata, 10 to the power of 3 or 1000 is called as Sahasra, 10 to the power of 4 or 10,000 is called as Ayudha, 10 to the power of 5 or a lakh is called as Laksha, 10 to the power of 6 or 10 lakh is called Prayuta, 10 to the power of 7 or a crore is called as Kotayaha, 10 to the power of 8 or 10 crore is called as Arbudam, 10 to the power of 9 is called as Abja, 10 to the power of 10 is Nikharva, 10 to the power of 11 is Mahapadma, 10 to the power of 12 is Shanku, 10 to the power of 13 is Jaladi, 10 to the power of 14 is Antya, 10 to the power of 15 is Madhya, and 10 to the power of 16 is Parardha. I would like to thank one and all for watching the video. If you liked the video, please click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoyed learning about the origin of the Hindu Arabic numerals and 10 to the power of 16 values in Sanskrit. If you have any feedback, then please mention it in the comment section down below.